The Weather Extreme video. This is for Monday evening, October 5th. I'm James Spann. The weather warm and dry through midweek as we go back in the 80s. Let's go in there and check it out. Water vapor satellite view across the continental United States. You can see a couple of upper lows. The one that brought our cloudy, unsettled weekend weather is east of Jacksonville. Another one is out west, not too far from Los Angeles. There's a wider view, and that also shows Hurricane Joaquin in the Atlantic moving away from Bermuda. Check out temperatures this afternoon. Look at the 80s coming back up in the Tennessee Valley. That's where the sun has been shining. It's 86 in the Shoals. Birmingham at 81, Anniston 79. We'll be up in the 80s for the next several days. There's the visible satellite view. You can see how the sky is cleared up in the Tennessee Valley, but clouds kind of linger elsewhere, a mix of sun and clouds for the central part of the state. On the watch warning map, some flash flooding issues out west for parts of Utah and Colorado. The big rain event finally winding down for the Carolinas today. In terms of severe weather possibilities for the rest of today and tonight, a marginal risk well to the west over Arizona and some of the adjacent states. And tomorrow, again, a marginal risk well to the west of here. Rain for the next 5 days, not much. This is valid through Saturday morning, suggesting maybe a trace or so over North Alabama. Nothing for South Alabama. We might see a few isolated showers Friday or Friday night. Doesn't look like a big deal. Off in the tropics, we have a little wave in the Atlantic, central Atlantic, that's going to have a hard time developing. I don't think it will. And Joaquin is still on the board. That is moving east. That will become post-tropical later in the week as it gains latitude. It's going to pass north of the Azores on Thursday. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock local time. Upper low is over the desert southwest. Our upper low that's been bothering us is beginning to kick out. And for us, today should be mostly sunny and warmer. Both the GFS and the NAM are printing a high of 82 for Birmingham tomorrow with a good supply of sunshine. Wednesday, how about mid-80s? Yeah, going to feel a bit more like summertime with a good deal of sunshine. And Thursday, same thing. Mostly sunny and warm with a good chance we see mid-80s. We note a cold front north and west of the state. There's a surface low over Wisconsin. Then on Friday, that surface low is over the northern tip of New York State with a cold front down through Little Rock, Arkansas, and Amarillo, Texas. And that could bring a few showers in here late Friday or Friday night. Maybe some thunder. I don't think it's a big rain event. Don't think it's widespread. The main dynamic support stays well to the north. And then Saturday, we are in a dry air mass. And Saturday should be a nice day, partly to mostly sunny. Cooler maybe by about 5 degrees or so, but not much. In fact, the GFS is showing a high of 80 on Saturday. And the same thing on Sunday. The sky mostly sunny with a high close to 80. Monday of next week, you can see we got a 588 ridge in place down here, so obviously it's not going to be really cool. Low 80s a good possibility, and again, the sky looks mostly sunny. We'll check the end of the forecast. Things are looking colder over the eastern part of Canada, beginning to look more like the colder weather season up there. And for us, we're still, I'd say highs in the 70s with this look. The sky's sunny, got a cold front that looks dry north and west of the state. And again, as we often say and remind you, October is our driest month of the year. So big rain events don't happen that often this time of the year. Numbers off the ensembles, 80s this week. The next week, highs drop in the 70s and lows drop in the 50s. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.